What is the largest single-engine turbine aircraft manufactured today? Which airplane has accumulated over 9.2 million flight hours? What well-known airplane flies each and every day and night with a dispatch reliability rate of over 98%? If you're involved in aviation in any way, you probably already know the answer. It's the Cessna Caravan. Now numbering 1,600 strong and operated in 68 countries around the world. This is the most versatile aircraft in the world, available in 4 different models. Here is the Grand Caravan, Cessna's most popular selling caravan model, ideal for personal or business transport. And arriving now is a van full of passengers going on an extended vacation. There's room for up to 10 people with all their luggage, a feat that few single-engine aircraft can accomplish today. This Grand Caravan is equipped with an Oasis interior designed by Yingling Aviation especially for caravans. It's one of the most popular ways to travel in comfort and style. The caravan's spacious cabin with a wide flat floor facilitates easy boarding for all passengers, and the Oasis seats are fully adjustable for maximum comfort. All Cessna Caravans are designed to land almost anywhere, including grass or gravel landing strips. This tough caravan landing gear extends your travel options from the largest cities to the most remote locations imaginable. Now let's take a look at the utility version of this unique aircraft, which was the original concept for the Grand Caravan, and still one of the most popular applications. This Grand Caravan is delivering both people and cargo to a remote location. In this configuration, seats can be removed in just minutes, allowing infinite configurations of people or cargo. With a large side cargo door, palleted items can easily be loaded by forklift. Even with cargo on board,